Sé que tú estás arrepentida por los momentos que perdí al lado tuyo, solo contigo, mi amor.
Hey Glam Squad, this is Dalou. I hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of decor update, a little bit of rearrangement to different part of the house, and we are starting with the living room. I'm going to be removing this side table and replaced it by another one. Last month I updated the decor in this living room. After I was done, that's when I remember I have the matching table that's in this corner. It would be best to remove the glass table and replace it by the same marble table, so this way I have the same table on both sides. Of course, whenever I move one thing around, I always take an opportunity to move more things around. So I'm changing and moving some of the accessories around as well. Of course, I'm going to be using one of my Glam ginger jars in gold. Love, love, love the design. I think it is very pretty, very beautiful. Finally, it is available on the website. If you are interested, be sure to check it out. And these beautiful flowers are super gorgeous. Love the color. I love the pop of color that they added to the room. I thought it would be a great idea to reposition the chairs, because from the entryway, I think the back of the chairs are really nice. It would be nice for them to be visible from the entryway. This time I'm going to be using my white and gold ginger jars. Oh my goodness, these are so luxurious, so beautiful. Of course, I have 3 sizes, a large one, a medium one, and a baby one, and all 3 of them going to be sitting in the center of the table. This is what it looks like now. I think it is very nice. It is very cozy. On the console table, I did not make any change. I kept it exactly the way it is. The flower on the console table is a great option. It provides balance to the room.
Kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change.
I'm gonna use this side table in my entryway. It is such a beautiful table. Definitely make a statement. I think it is a perfect table, a great option for my foyer.
Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why. Like I'm better off with you. With apologies, holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you.
In this other corner, I'm going to have my floor vase. With these beautiful white branches, they are so beautiful, gorgeous. I'm gonna take this moment to welcome all of you who are new to my channel. Welcome to the Glam Squad family. Just in case if you missed it, my name is Dalou. I upload glam home decor, cleaning and DIY videos. If you are interested in any of these things, please hit your subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so they can let you know as soon as I upload a new video. And to all of you, my returning Glam Squad, thanks so much for stopping by today. Thanks for your love and support. I love you and appreciate you all. As I mentioned earlier, I do have a home decor store where you will find some of the most beautiful glam accessories. Be sure to check it out. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box and in the comment section. Also, remember to check me out on Instagram at Decor.glamstyle by Dalou, and also on Facebook and TikTok at glamstyle with Dalou.
Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why. Like I'm better off with you. Change me, got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right.
To add a beautiful scent in the foyer, I'm gonna be adding one of my diffuser.
Like I'm better.
There it is. It is very pretty. It came with a USB cord, a cute little funnel. And a 3M tape, let's say if you want to put it on the wall or something.
Be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better.
I'm gonna move on to the console table. I have some books on the second shelf. These books are from Amazon, you guys already know that. And then I'm gonna add some of my songs on top of the books. On the top level, I'm starting with one of my beautiful mirror tray. Of course, you can get it from my store. I love the tray because it is unique and stylish. And then to cut the gold a little bit, I'm gonna bring in a silver and white vase. This is very beautiful and elegant. If you want to stay more in the minimalist side, you can just leave it like that. You don't have to add anything else. I think it is good enough. Or if you want to add a little bit more, you can add some candles on the side. These beautiful candlesticks are from my store, almost a year and a half. And I'm putting this vintage candle holder. I'm not going to be putting any candle inside of them, but they are super cute. I thought they are going to be really nice for fall. In the dining room in this corner, I'm gonna be adding one of my big, super big ginger jar. It is so cute in the corner. I really like it, especially when I am in the foyer. Let me show you guys what it looks like in the foyer. I love it. This big ginger jar is not available yet on the website, but hopefully I'll have one available for you guys soon. These beautiful mugs are back in stock and they are available to purchase on the website. So if you are interested, I'm gonna leave the link for them in the description box. This small console table is from Amazon. On the console table, I have one of my jars. I have it, of course, from my stores with some beautiful flowers. And then I'm going to have 2 sets of candle tea lights. These are all the ideas that I have for you today. I hope you have found some inspiration, or at least you have enjoyed it. If you do, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend and a family member. Remember to check out my ginger jars. They will be available on the website. As you can see, they are gorgeous, they are fabulous. Before you leave, remember to hit your subscribe button, turn your notification bell so we can see you on the next video. I look forward to seeing you all. I love you always. Bye bye.